More sheep. One taking a nap. Then we have these very long horn ones. I'm just hoping there's no ram out here. These just look like they're females to me. This big fluffy one here on the right is the New Zealand, and they're more for wool. They have got the highest quality wool. I can't remember the name of the one with the long horns down here, but it doesn't have quite as good a wool. They've got some humongous horns, but seem very placid, thank goodness. Okay, here comes the baby. Over here, he's walking around. Down under the tree. Oh, there he goes.